Hi, welcome back. Today we talk about everything related to gardening, and this video we will be discussing gladiolus, a beautiful and easy to grow flower that can add a touch of elegance to any garden. We will be covering everything from planting to harvesting and storing the corms. So let's get started. Gladiolus grows best in full sun, so make sure to plant them in a spot that gets at least 6 hours of direct sunlight a day. They also require regular watering, so make sure to keep the soil moist but not waterlogged. Fertilize the plants every 2 weeks with a balanced fertilizer to encourage healthy growth and vibrant blooms. Gardenias flower usually bloom and mine to late summer, depending on the variety. Once the blooms have opened up fully, it's time to harvest them. Cut the stem at a 45-degree angle, leaving about 6 inches of stem attached to the corm. This will help the corms to store energy for the next growing season. Once the Gardelius blooms have been harvested, it's time to store the corms for the next growing season. First, cut off the foliage and let the corms dry in a warm, well ventilated area for a few days. Once the corms are dry, remove any remaining soil and place them in a paper bag or mesh bag. Store the bags in a cool, dry place until time to plant them again in the spring. And that's it for our guide on how to plant, grow, harvest, and store Gardelius corms. Gardenias are easy to grow and can add a beautiful burst of color to any garden. So go ahead and give them a try. Let us know in the comments if you have any tips or tricks for growing Gardenias, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.